important fact that gets lost today is that most of the fathers of science and philosophy were theistic thinkers. Now let's get to Isaac Newton and that quote. Here's a comment from Sir Isaac Newton regarding God, the Bible, and atheism. It goes like this. Quote, I have a fundamental belief in the Bible as the Word of God, written by men who were inspired. I study the Bible daily. Opposition to godliness is atheism in profession and idolatry in practice. Atheism is so senseless and odious, detestable to mankind that it never had many professors. Sir Isaac Newton.